I have tried for years to find the right gaming headset for me, and there's either too many bad options on the market or I'm too picky. Some have bad sound quality that sound very muddy, some feel like they're squeezing my head until it pops, and a lot of them don't have mic monitoring, which is a must-have feature for me. But I finally found it, one that checks all the boxes for what I look for in the perfect gaming headset. So please enjoy my quick and relaxing unboxing and review of the HyperX Cloud 2 Wireless.